And so they show you different types of painting, and they'll talk about like this one is patterns and things like that. So it's kind of like art lessons for children, but in a book. What do you think, Little Grace?
Little Grace.
Isn't that cool? All those
Isn't this
different
neat?
projects we can do.
One of the projects right now.
You do?
Yeah.
Well, we might be able to set you up with a project. And then the last but very not least gift in here, Daddy's guitar gift.
Oh.
So I bought a guitar, did you know that?
Yeah.
And so now this is a
You're
book.
learning guitar. You have mastered it.
Oh, I'm learning. I have not mastered it. And so I am.
Thank you, Grandma.
Say thank you, Grandma. To
Thank
Mr.
you,
Richard.
Grandma.
Hold on, here you go. Try back
Thank
up.
you, Grandma and Mr. Richard.
I love you.
I love you.
All right, Wade.
Wade, can you say thank you? Oh, buddy, that's not having a grateful
Wade's
heart.
having a tough time. Emily, do you want to say thank you?
Thank y'all
And
very much. Merry Christmas.
All right, Merry Christmas, Mom and Richard. Hope y'all had a good day. I hope you enjoy the videos of the kids opening the Christmas gifts. And we love you. Merry Christmas and a day after your birthday. Happy birthday, Mom.